Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to share with you how much my YouTube channel makes each month. I just barely eclipsed 1,000 subscribers a few months ago and started making money on it. So I want to share with you how much you can expect to earn as a small YouTuber with a small channel, and this is specifically just with the Google AdSense. I'm not going to cover all the different ways that you can make money as a small YouTuber. This is just specifically once you finally get monetized and you're able to put ads in front of your videos, what kind of money you can expect to make. So that is kind of the thing, right? Everyone that's a small YouTube channel, they are working tirelessly to try to get subscribers and try to get the number of hours of watch time you need, at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to be eligible to monetize your content. And then once that happens, awesome. Let the money start coming in, right? Well, the number that I'm going to show you may or may not surprise you. So let's jump into it. All right, here we are on my home page, and we want to take a look at our analytics. So we want to head over to Creator Studio. And here we are on the main dashboard of our Creator Studio, and this new beta studio, it gives your analytics right here in the corner, which is really neat. And you can see the estimate right here for the last 28 days of $68.19, up 36% from the previous 28 days. The previous was $50.18. What I actually like to do is come over here to Analytics and open up the main Analytics. All right, here we are. So this gives you the details up here that we just saw, but it's a little easier to see everything. So with the views, watch time, subscribers, and the estimated revenue for the last 28 days. And then if you want to change the view to the last 7 days. You can look at that and see how that changes. You could do lifetime. So for the lifetime of my channel, I've made a whopping $674.57. All right. Now, this is a little bit off because I had my channel back in 2006 and I was able to monetize it before they started the new monetization policies, and then I wasn't able to monetize, so I had to work to get my monetization back up. So let's go back to the normal one, the default 28 days, the last 28 days. And it gives you the top performing videos. And that's a good indication. Right here is a good indication. It's pretty close to what you make. It's a pretty close to what you make, what I'll make. Now, you get paid by the month and not by the 28 days. And so it depends on the month. Like the month of August has 31 days in it. So it'll be a little bit more than this that I'll get paid. Now I'm going to actually take a look at the Creator Classic Studio portion. So here I can do my last 30 days, which is closer to what the month will be like. And that's $73.94 for 16,000 views. So that's the a good indication of what my channel is making. 16,000 views to make $73.94. Kind of the general rule of thumb that people say is for every 1,000 total views, you're going to make somewhere between $1.50 and $2.50. But it definitely depends on your niche and the video. And the reason why I say that is let's look at this. Let's look at these videos. So this video, how to hook up Xbox One controller. Let me bring up my calculator here. This one is the estimated revenue is $21.75 for 4,612 views. So if we take 21.75 and divide that by 4.6 because we want to see what it is per 1,000 views, you can see that that was earning $4.7 per 1,000 views. Now, every one of those views is not monetized, but this takes into account all the monetized, the ads that people click on, the ads that people watch. So that's 4.7 for that video. Let's keep that in mind. Now this next one is my Dungeons and Dragons Paper Minis one. Those 3.6 divided by 1.8. So that particular video is only making $2 per 1,000 views. Now look at this cryptocurrency one. 20.25 divided by roughly 2.1. That one's making a whopping $9.06 per 1,000 views. So you get an idea of the type of content will make a different amount of money. And then when you combine that all together, then you get your estimated revenue amount, which is very interesting because this makes this channel, even though it's a lot smaller than my cooking channel, it makes more per 1,000 views than my cooking channel, which is actually pretty funny. So that gives you an idea of what a small YouTuber with 1,000 subscribers can hope to make starting off once they get monetized. Well, there you have it. That's an estimate of how much I make each month with my YouTube channel that has barely over 1,000 subscribers. Now, I do want to make the caveat that will fluctuate depending on the month of the year, because as the months get closer to the end of the year, ad revenue is higher. Advertisers have more budget, so they're going to use their budget more on ads. So you can expect that to go up. And then at the beginning of the year, it'll go back down because advertisers are kind of being clenched, tight clenched fists on their advertising money. So it's going to vary. Also, the type of content that you have will vary as well. So the videos that I do that are more cryptocurrency related, those tend to do better ad-wise than the ones that are just my board game reviews or something like that. So it also depends. So it depends on the niche that you're in and what kind of ads that are going to play on it. So that all takes a part in the money that you earned. I hope you enjoyed this little look at the small YouTube channel. If you want to check out my main channel, In the Kitchen with Matt, I have over 70,000 subscribers there, and it's all about cooking. If you want to learn how to cook some awesome food, go check that out. Thank you again for joining. Thumbs up down in the corner, push it. It'll really help me out. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy YouTubing, everyone.